Today, I'm going to teach you how to create social sharing or menu reveal buttons in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to add interactive elements to your WordPress site, giving your visitors quick access to sharing options or hidden menus that enhance user experience and engagement. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser and type in your site's admin URL, which typically looks like your site.com/wp admin. Enter your username and password to access the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Here, you'll see all your existing pages listed. Click on Add New to create a fresh page where you'll build your social sharing or menu reveal buttons. After the new page is created, look for the Edit with Elementor button, usually found near the top of the page. Click on it to launch the Elementor editor, which gives you full visual control over your page design. Now you're in the Elementor interface, and this is where things get exciting. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the widget panel containing all the elements you can add to your page. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type HTML. This will filter the widgets and bring up the HTML widget, which is exactly what we need to inject custom code into your page. You can either click on the HTML widget or drag it directly into your desired section on the page. This widget acts as a container for custom code that can create advanced functionality beyond standard Elementor elements. After placing the HTML widget, click into the HTML code field that appears in the widget settings panel. This is where you'll paste the exact code that creates your social sharing or menu reveal buttons. The code you use here will depend on what functionality you're aiming for, whether it's social media icons, a hidden navigation menu, or interactive reveal buttons. Simply paste your code directly into this field, making sure nothing gets cut off or altered during the paste process. Once your code is in place, it's time to save your work. Look to the bottom left of the Elementor editor and click on Save Draft. This ensures that all your changes are preserved without making the page live just yet. You'll find this button right next to the Publish button at the bottom of the screen, so make sure you're clicking the correct one if you're not ready to go live immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created social sharing or menu reveal buttons in Elementor using custom HTML code. This technique opens up endless possibilities for adding unique interactive elements to your WordPress site that aren't available through standard widgets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.